If you have ever Googled your own beauty clinic and wondered why you are not showing up, then in this video I'm going to show you why, and most importantly how you will be able to fix it. So before talking about that, let me give you a little context about myself. So I run a web design agency called Devmart, and we are doing this from last 4 years. And we help a clinic owner to build their website and also do the marketing for them, so that they can get consistent client every single month. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 fixable technical mistakes that are hiding your clinic from local search results. So if you don't know what local search results are, then let me explain a little bit. Local search results mean whenever someone types PRP treatment in Manhattan. So that is what called local search results, because all the results which will appear after that will be based on the locality, which is Manhattan in this case. So I will tell you exactly the practical steps that you can do to fix these 5 mistakes. The first reason of why your beauty clinic is not showing up on Google is your website is too slow. So how can we find out whether our website is slow or not? You can go to this website, which is pagespeed.web.dev, and you have to look for the score on mobile device more than 70. And if that score is below 50, then you are in very serious problem. You have to fix that as soon as possible. And also, if your website is slow, this doesn't only frustrate the visitors, it will also be pushed down actively on the Google search results. You will not rank on the top, or whatever will be shown on the Google. And why does this happen? Why your website speed is slow? Most clinic owner uploads the pictures directly from their mobile device. So they have clicked any picture and then they will upload directly on the website. And each image size, when you will click the picture from your phone, it will be of average 5 to 10 MB, and that's why you need to make sure that you are taking care of that. So how can you fix this? Because if you will upload these high quality images, and if you will not decrease the size of those images, then the website will slow down automatically, because you always have to make sure that your website file size is as less as it can be. So what you can do to decrease the image size without decreasing the quality of the image? You can use any plugin on the WordPress. If you are using WordPress, one of the famous plugin is Scurs that you can use. It will decrease the size of the image without decreasing the quality of the image. And you need to make sure that all of your images are under 200 KB. And then after, you have to do a quick check. Go to the same website, which is pagespeed.web.dev, type your website address and then hit analyze. Target a mobile score above 70. This affects more aesthetic websites than any other issues on the list. Once you are done with this mistake, then you have to take care of the second mistake, which is you are not targeting local keywords. Let's first talk about what Google needs to see. Every page on your website should naturally mention your locations. Your homepage title, the text in the browser tab should say something like this. If you are a facial clinic owner, then you can add facial clinic in your city. You can add here city, like facial clinic in Manhattan, and then you can add the clinic name, like facial clinic in Manhattan skin needs, if your clinic name is skin needs. Your about and services page should do the same thing. Like whatever website I build, and when I do the basic SEO for them, I do the same thing. Like for about us page, I add something like this: about us page, and then mention city and then the clinic name. The meta title formula, what you have to do in meta title. Most clinic have their meta title set to just their clinic name, which tells Google almost nothing. What you have to do is change it to your service in your city and then clinic name. and you will start appearing for local searches almost immediately. So what most clinic do right now, if they don't know what to do, they will write titles like this: Glow Beauty Clinic. But how you will be able to optimize it is facial clinic in Manchester, and then the clinic name Beauty Clinic. This is what you have to do to target the local keywords. uh, Add the locations in as many places as you can, but make sure that it is natural. Don't try to add in any of the places. You don't have to do that. Make sure that it looks natural, and when people read it, it looks natural. Once you have fixed the second mistake, then the third mistake is you don't have any Google business profile. So if you are just starting out and if you don't have any Google business profile, then you need to make sure that you are setting it as soon as possible. And in the next slide I will also show you exactly the checklist that you should focus on to make sure that your Google My Business is optimized to the best. Let me show you how it looks, and then it will make more sense. This is what Google My Business means. And here your website will be linked, your direction will be there, your reviews will be there. They can save the location, and then they can share, and then make a call, and then book the appointments as well. So this is what you have to do. So if you don't have this, make sure to create one Google My Business profile and add some images. And also you need to make sure that you are adding your social media handles so that they can go there as well and check your profile and all, social media profile and all. So once you are done with this, the fourth reason is you don't have enough written content on your website. What does that mean? Once your website is set up, you need to make sure that you have written some of the blogs, and write the blogs targeting the keywords. Like if your clinic is in Manchester, then try to add that keywords like best clinic in Manchester, or best PRP treatment in Manchester, best Botox treatment in Manchester, something like that. But you also have to make sure that don't use the keywords like Botox and all, because these words are not allowed to use in the website in UK mainly. So try to add at least 8 blog posts on your website targeting the local keywords, and then your clinic will start appearing from more of the keywords and organically. The last reason that I have found is your website is not mobile friendly. And why it matters? So since 2019, Google has used mobile first indexing. It looks at the mobile version of your website first when deciding where to rank you. Text overlapping, button too small to tap, or slow load times on mobile all hurt your ranking. So how you will be able to test it? So quick test that you can do to make sure that your website is mobile friendly or not. Open your website on phone and check, can you read all the text without zooming or not? Can you tap the booking button with your thumb or not? Does it load under 3 seconds or not? So this is the test that you have to do. And these are the 5 reasons that I have found in almost 80% of the website that I have audited till now and worked with. And if you will fix these 5 reasons, then I can say that your website will start appearing and your clinic will be more visible on the Google. So this is the checklist that I was talking about. In your Google My Business, you need to have your clinic name, your address, your phone number, your opening hour, and whatever the fields are there, complete all the fields, because that is beneficial for you in long term, because Google recommend your profile to others more than the clinic who doesn't have completed all their fields. And the next step that you have to do is verify your business, and then collect and respond to reviews. This is one of the important thing in clinic industry, that you need to get as many as positive reviews as you can get. So these are the 5 mistakes that I have talked to you already. Let me give you a little rundown again. First, you have to check your website speed if it and go to that website, pagespeed.web.dev, and if your mobile speed score is below 50, then you have to fix it as soon as possible. You need to always make sure that that score is above 70. The second mistakes that we have found is target local keywords, that I have told you already, that in all of the pages title make sure that you are adding your services, your city, and then your clinic name. The third one was set up your Google business profile, and then the fourth one was write more content, and the last one was fix mobile visibility and make your website mobile friendly. So if you want these website fixed properly, as I have told you already, that we build a website for aestheticians and beauty clinics that are fast, mobile friendly, local optimized, and built to rank on Google from day one. So if you want us to do that, I have added a free website audit link in the description of this video that you can find, and just fill that form, and then we will make sure that we are sending you a personalized video auditing your website and what can be improved and what are the things that is causing you to rank on the Google. This was all about this video. If you find this video useful, make sure to like it, comment it, and then I will see you in the next one.